Jesus, is it a sin to share someone else's sin publicly? What if the sin is already public? Should we still avoid talking about it?
Instead of joining judgment, show kindness and pray for mercy. Mercy triumphs over judgment. Remember, all have faults and need forgiveness.
So the heart behind sharing matters most?
Exactly. Ask yourself, am I building up or tearing down? Let love, forgiveness, and grace guide your actions. If wrong has been done, follow the right steps. That encourages respect for lawful authority to maintain justice. That guides believers to address issues privately first, seeking restoration, not public shaming. The goal is always restoration, not condemnation.